Hello, welcome to the Southern Fry version of Shelby Exotics up in there. We're down in Arkansas. We are on a little road in the middle of nowhere. As you can see, I'd almost call it a path with a big fucking house right there. Holy crap. Get a good look at that place right there. We are down here Benton Feller Butler Creek, Arkansas. Cruising around right now because we got a little bit of time here before we go back to the airport. And we got ourselves a rack assembly comforter. I feel like I'm fucking in the wrong spot right now. Like I should not be on this road anymore. But this is actually a fucking road. Okay. Alright, I'm with you. This is a 2-track though. What the fuck am I doing here? Okay. I don't really know which way this goes. We're literally on a 2-track. Headed somewhere. This is the part where I disappear and you find the phone and you say, damn, he got killed. EcoBoost Mustang, do a burnout. Will it do a big one though? Good merry morning and welcome to the channel. You're watching Shelby Exotics and I'm Ryan, and we are headed over to Nile Wings today. That's where we're gonna go, over here in Ione, IA. And we've got a whole shit and caboodle of parts here for them. We've got a splitter, and we've got a splitter, and then we got some brakes, and we got some headers. That should be fun. So we're gonna stop in and see what Nigel's doing. And it's always interesting stopping into that fuck job's place, isn't it? It's got some pretty cars and stuff. Should be fun. Let's go check it out. I do feel like we're spending way too much time in this truck though, even though it's pretty decent. It's just, it's got a big roof in it. Roof! It's just kind of boring. But, it's a non-burnout eco-boosted piece of shit. Sorry for all you guys out there that this is your dream truck, but I'm telling you what, it shouldn't be. Just saying. So we're cruising down here at M21 at approximately 58 miles an hour. We're gonna be there in just a second. My favorite part of Niles. I love that fucking sign. There's an easier way to sit in that car, you know. What? What you doing?
Checking wires.
Oh yeah? Is it broken?
Financing. No.
Oh.
Seeing what gets plugged where and
what
doesn't get plugged where.
Doing some recon?
Yes, sir.
Good deal, man. Don't let me interrupt. I just found it strange you were upside down. Good deal. Did you fix my cooling issue then?
Oh, that's all done.
Beauticious. Well, that sure looks a lot better. Did not know they had a dual caliper setup. All right, so this is a lizard skin, right?
Yeah.
So you apply that, and then you let that cure.
Yep, so we got
and then
72 hours before you can paint on top of it.
And then you paint right over
Yep.
it. How'd you repaint these too, right?
Yeah.
God, that looks really sharp.
All inside there and then up on the whole side.
Yeah, this looks great. This is, let's see if we can, we'll do a test sample.
Yeah, but still, I mean,
Still, you'll be able to get an idea. Yeah.
it doesn't sound anywhere near as
No. Well, and Corey doesn't do cushy some bitch.
grocery getter.
Grocery getter, yeah, exactly. No, that's pretty cool stuff. Yeah, it kind of tightened everything up, didn't it?
Yeah, I mean, road noise, heat, everything.
The heat's a big deal.
Yeah, which
That's going to be a big
before.
deal for him. So this is what we bought for Niall today. And this is a real deal upside down label. And if you need the part number for it, take it. Splitter. Yeah. I got both pieces. No, it's better. I don't want all that weight of that carbon fiber stuff.
Okay.
Okay. Now when I went to pick this up, they said, I told them that this one over here was $1,300 brand new. This one was $2,200. And I said, well, that's what I said. And Charlie had a complete conniption fit, the parts manager, and said, well, I'll just give it to you for that thing. So I was going to have him keep it. I was like, hey, send it back and forth. He goes, I can't send anything back and forth.
What's your problem?
I don't know. That's what I said.
Well, why don't you just use Corey stock one? You had to buy one.
Well, these are different than the stock ones. See how short they are?
Oh, it comes out farther. Okay.
Yeah. So it would. That's how the S car is, because that one's a little shorter. Yeah, it's quite a bit shorter actually. It doesn't have the big.
It is.
Doohickeys. I want to grab my phone so they know what the hell they're talking about when it comes out to here. And these big fellers, you know, if you're not familiar with the R, they come out another couple inches. So, yeah, I guess we'll go the same route. There's no sense in ride almost. I'm like, dude, you could.
There's no reason that part should cost $20-some $100.
No, it's an injection molded part.
Jesus Christ.
Dude, they don't have
What a rip-off.
$30 in the thing.
What a rip-off. Just because it says Shelby on it.
Yeah, and it's an R splitter, which, you know, makes it a little rare. But these are the, right here, Niall, those are the ones that they missed on my car.
Right.
You see how they have all these different screws here
Yeah.
to hold it on? They missed these completely on mine.
Yeah, I remember that. See,
Yep.
that's this one here, see?
And you got to really make an effort, you know, to...
We put the bigger bolts in them.
Oh, good.
So we
Can you
got
do that with mine, too?
So them are nice and sturdy. We got them all everywhere on this one.
Yeah, and I'd like to do the nuts. Did he leave his gun? Or
Yep,
did
yep,
okay,
the guy's
good.
gun. I'm buying a really nice one, too.
Oh, yeah, good. Because that's the way to do it there.
It is. There's so much, because then you can change the pucks.
Yeah, and you've got my pucks, right? The extra set?
Yep.
So
yep.
good.
So yeah, we can change the pucks that way and everything. So that's nice.
But this is actually what the S car looks like from Ford.
Okay.
They took the stock R splitter,
All right.
and then Corey bought the aftermarket one, which is it's cool. It's just the weight's all off. It's going to throw his balance off. It's just I'm going to be faster.
You fucker.
No, I was actually going to go this route because I really like the look of that. other than the weave's a little different, but this looks nicer than this. Yeah. Sorry, Capaldi, but now if we can, I know that. Why did you guys use?
Because I don't like them big ones. Neither did Corey.
You don't?
No, they're big. Plus, you'd have to mount them in a different area. See, because or cut the shaft down, one or the other. But so we decided to use these. I like the looks of these, and they're strong. They'll be fine.
Yeah, they'll do the job.
These just ain't very pretty at all. So I mean,
well,
they're built nice and heavy, but you know.
What I was gonna do is send those out to have them bright anodized.
Yeah.
Because that's really what they need. Just raw build.
Right, you gotta be anodized. Yep.
But yeah, I guess just use the same APR ones.
I mean, yeah, these work
and
really
they fit
nice.
better.
Yeah, they fit nice, and then we'll just put a little tiny plug right in there.
Oh, just to cover that up. All right. Yeah, because we've already got that grilled. There's no sense in. So what the hell am I holding on to?
Bag that says that you got a bone for $2,300.
You got boned for $2,300. Well, he was all ticked off and gave it to me for the discount, so. Stupid oil cap. $120. That is all that's keeping you from catastrophic failures, these little tabs right there. And literally, that's all it screws in. Let me do that right.
Situation, take care of that.
So thank you for watching Shelby Exotics. As always, please subscribe if this is your first time here. Hit the little bell down there. And